A lot of people have been asking, how can I use SwipeBucket to constantly generate ideas for Facebook ads or social media posts? So I'm going to show you one that I just did, and I'll show you the whole workflow so you understand how powerful this is. So let's say we're scrolling down here, we see this ad, which is the one I used. I just want to swipe it, so I click on this. When I'm in this area, I could select what bucket I want. I can make a new bucket. I can write a note. I can add a tag. In this case, we're just going to swipe it into the content ideas bucket. So I swipe it, and now we can go to the post. Now, the beauty of this is you've saved this now. You're looking at this, and you want to be inspired by this. You don't want to copy, of course. You just want to be inspired. Make it your own. Make it original. So what I did was I looked at all these words, and I rewrote it. I didn't want to keep you here too long while I'm rewriting and thinking, but I rewrote it. I would personally, the way I rewrote it would be in this notes section, so I have it next to where I got it from. So as you can see, this is what I rewrote. Stop waiting around to be happy. Stop waiting around to be inspired to write that blog or that Facebook post or design your funnel. Take control and create the life you always wanted. Take control and create. You will always have ideas to start with and never be stuck again. This isn't an ordinary swipe file. This isn't a collection of random topics. This isn't a webinar or live chat. So as you can see, you get inspired. Now, I will probably rewrite this a bit more, but I just want you to see how easy it is and how quick it is to always have ideas and to rewrite something right inside SwipeBucket. And now it's saved. It's here. So if I go back to the content ideas, you'll see this is what I swiped. As you can see, it stays there always. And it gives you a little note thing here, so you know that you have edited it, or if you've made your own version of it. So it's easy to find the ones that you've already used, so you don't have to look around. Did I rewrite this one already? Because you keep adding. And the beauty is that all these things in here are things that have inspired you, that you knew you could work with to make your own original content, and you knew you could create your own ad. These are things you already vetted, and you have now in this this swipe file on steroids. It's just amazing. You also, don't forget, you get an email every day of as many as you want from these buckets, random cards or notes that you have swiped, or ads that you have swiped. So every day as you get this, you will get ideas. So the way I have it set up is I get 2 every day from this content ideas bucket. So every morning I wake up, I write 2 quick things. It takes me, the last one, the one I just showed you, took me 2-3 minutes to write. It's that fast because you're just doing it. You're not overwhelmed. You're not looking to see where can I get an idea. You've already put these here because these are ideas you want to work with. You don't have to search for them. And you're going to get an email every day reminding you of 2 of them. I just rewrite them and I'm done for the day. It's fantastic. In that same email, of course, you're going to get your Kindle highlights. So if you open up a Kindle, these highlights, for example, you're going to get that in a separate section along with things from different buckets, from all these different buckets. You might get, some from content ideas, some from Facebook ads, some from new music artists to read later, YouTube things. So you never forget anything. It's always revisited. It's really pretty powerful, and it's one of my favorite features, and it's made my workflow tremendously fast and less stress. I really don't have any stress anymore because I'm on Facebook and I'm just going through here and you're seeing what and I see something I like. Let's just refresh this, for example. I'm just surfing Facebook for whatever reason. I'm going to my groups, and by the way, you could save inside groups too. So I see this. Let's say I want to swipe this for whatever reason. Boom! I put it in content ideas, swipe it, and it's there. I'm done. I don't have to think about this. And when I'm ready, I can go look at my content ideas inside SwipeBucket. I can come in here and go to the content ideas. This is what we just saved, and you can see it's there with the pictures and everything, the call to action, and it's there forever now. Now I'm going to get an email, and one day this will show up. I wouldn't be using this one, but one day this will show up, and I'll say, oh, okay, let me rewrite that one. Or if I'm feeling particularly inspired, I can just search in here. And because you have this note here, you already rewrote this one. I hope that was helpful. It's really, really a fast workflow, and I hope it's something you guys enjoy as much as I do.